Go.
Hello, assalamu alaikum everyone. A good time to all of you. How are you all? Hope you are well. Thank you for giving me such to say something about my daily routine. This is Abdullah Laman in front of you. At first, I get up early in the morning. Then I brush my teeth, wash my face and hands. Then I take a ablution. After taking ablution, I go to mosque and I perform Fajr Salah. Then I return home and sometimes exercise and I sit to read. I have finished the study. I finish the study and I have breakfast. I get ready to a classroom and I arrive at class at 10 a.m. in the morning. I meet my friends and I take a cup of tea and I feel refreshed. I study till on PM. Then I sometimes rest and I perform my Zohar Salah. I have a at lunch on PM in the afternoon, and then I nap for a while and I get up in the afternoon. Sometimes I play football. Sometimes I play football and I return home evening. Then I take a ablution. After taking ablution, I am performing Maghrib Salah, and I sit to read. I have finished my study at 9 a.m. and then I take ablution, and after taking ablution I am performing Isha Salah, and then next I have a dinner at 10 a.m. Sometimes I watch to TV. Finally I go to bed and have a sound sleep. Thank you all people, and thank you for listening for patiently.